In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the action button shortcut to start a new note on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen, open up settings. In the settings page, scroll down, and then in here, tap on action button. Next, in the action button page, you want to swipe across until you can locate shortcut. And then below that, tap on the shortcut chooser. In here, tap on new note. And you should see it's a new note down here. And that's it. Now, whenever you need to start a new note, just simply press and hold on the action button right here. So press and hold that button. And your phone will immediately start a new note, allowing you to write what you need to write. So here I can use the microphone. So I'm going to turn on enable dictation. And then it said, do I want to share? I'm going to choose not now. This is a test. And then tap on done. And that will save the new note. And here if I go on note. So I just start a note application again. And then I'll go to notes, and here in today note, it is a test. This is a test, the title of the note in the message. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.